Out here on the west side, I'm going to show you exactly what a single family home looks like for $745,000. And this one's got a secret, so be sure to stay tuned and find out everything you need to know about this property. Let's go. Hi, my name is Marina Tolentino, and this is your first time watching one of my videos. I've been a realtor for the last 6 years, and I actually live out on the west side. So this is fun for me today to get to show you a little bit of life out west, kind of what your money can get you. Hint, it goes a lot farther the more west you go, so there's a lot more affordability, a lot more opportunity out here. And then really just my job is to show you and educate you everything you need to know, whether you're moving to the island or you're looking to sell a home, Oahu real estate related. So I'm excited to show you this home. Let's take a look. So today we're at 85-915 Midway Street, which if you're familiar with Waianae coming into Farrington, it's literally right behind the post office side. So we've got 7-Eleven across the street. We've got Pōkaʻī Bay 1 block away. So convenience-wise, I mean, it's so easy to get here. It's so easy to access things. We've got 2 grocery stores within a half a mile. And just knowing that the beach, you could literally walk there is one of the best perks of this home. But what's fun about it is it was actually built in 1937. So it's almost 100 years old. Like we're coming up. We're at the 90-year mark, which is kind of wild to say. But it's been redone via 2026 style. So as we show you this home, recognize, yes, we have single construction walls here, but you have extra tall ceilings, which is a character of those 1937 homes. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on tax records, but you're gonna see there's actually more bedrooms and more bathrooms that just aren't permitted, but it all comes with the home. And so you get to see different ways to utilize the home, whether that's for friends and family to stay with you or if you want income potential. The other great thing that I love about this, honestly, is just the style that they did. So you're gonna notice really nice tile, really nice finishes. It feels new when we're looking at the kitchen and the bathrooms. And so there's just so much creativity and ways to make this home your own. So this wraps up this tour of this beautiful home on Midway Street in Waianae. A little different, a little unique, and not something you're gonna see everywhere. Again, keep in mind, no HOA. So really, your bill is your bill. You don't have to worry about crazy expenses changing month to month. You have the freedom to make changes within your home, paint the home whatever color you want. Obviously, there's street parking galore out front, no true driveway, but you have all of this extra interior space. So there's tons of places to be creative, really entertain however you'd like, and just make this home uniquely yours. So if you guys have questions, you want to tour a home like this, or you want to see what you're pre-approved for, that's my job to help you make it simple and get confident with your next move. So I'll see you next Friday with another video. Bye.